Milan here from Dental Topics Education, Bratislava. Today I'm going to show you how to use and what you get when you buy AI endodontic motor from Woodpecker Dental. Let's have a look. Okay, so here's the box. Here's what you get when you buy one. So some papers, some manual, nothing special. What else we have? Some protection. Okay, here's the device. Here's the charging unit. Here is the main unit. Have a look. Very nice design. Very nice shape. Here is the contra-angle. You can attach to the main unit. Like this. So we can easily assemble it without any complications. Here is the charger, and here are the cables for the apex locator, some clips, some hooks. Okay, that's it. Pretty easy. So it's very easy to operate, and once you have the motor assembled, just press this power button and motor is ready for function. And what you get is almost fully customizable endodontic motor, and you can adjust almost everything you need and you like. What I like the most is the design. And the weight of the device, because although it's wireless and it has a battery inside, it's very light. So it's very easy to handle in the patient's mouth. And what I like especially very much is the very small head of the design. So when you are doing root canal treatment in the upper region, in the maxilla, and you are doing, for example, second molar, you have quite easier access to that area in comparison with the different endodontic motors. There are several programs which you can program completely. They are counting from 0 to 9, so you can go and you can just press plus or minus, and you can choose the program you fully customized. The M0 is used for apex locator because it's built in and you can use it on a regular basis. The accuracy is quite nice, so there are no problems. So you have all-in-one device and you can use it either with regular files or reciprocating files, whatever. So guys, I hope you like this little review, and I hope that it might help you once you will consider which endodontic motor you will buy for your office. And once you like it, try it, go for it. Bye bye.